Kani kediga bati CTV, mat pidang pek yaki kubur baman kasni, belawan rasha pida ka Orange Nissan loom sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka eco-friendly enterprise, ki plakot nagbenta ki jingdon kam hakasong, bat kara karong.
Ringkat lang bat ka perthai barokowai ki samla pule bat ki nurse jong ka Shillong Civil Hospital haka khat arteri gu jemang arajar arpo kila rakhi ya ka International Nurses Day kum ka jingkan mau buram ya ka lungkhu snikha jong ka Florence Nightingale bat ban rakhi ru ya usin yang uben hei ba ki nurse kila no show sub uthiar jong ka imlang saklang nak benta ban syakri ya ki brio ki bapang ha ki hospital bat ki wei jaka sumar kum ha ki CHC ki PHC ki dispensary bat ki sub health center. Ya gani kejing rakhi bala penlong ha Civil Hospital la penyai da ka principal jong School of Nursing Civil Hospital Shillong ka kong Ivory Khardut ka balong ru ka president jong ka Trained Nurses Association of India Meghalaya State Branch ha ka bala yo jing kren na ka nursing superintendent jong ka Shillong Civil Hospital ka kong JF Bali bat ka jing duai na ka assistant nursing superintendent ka kong B Riatam. Hagani ka sngi la sakhi langru da ka jingedon lang jong ka secretary ka Trained Nurses Association of India Meghalaya State Branch ka kong L Dotling kinong hikai bat kisamla pulie jong ka Nurses School of Nursing Shillong Civil Hospital.
Today is 12th of May, the birthday of Florence Nightingale, and we know that nurses, without this, we are not the nurse. We used to celebrate every year, but this year we could not due to the lockdown of COVID-19, and we have to show that a small function is enough for us to remember. And then today is the day that we never forget our pioneers, that is the birthday of Florence Nightingale. And as we know that, mentioned by our chairperson, Madam Aida Khardui, this year is the year of a nurse. I was attended the Indian Nursing Council on December 2018, and our president of the INC, he was already said that we have to celebrate nicely for the nurses in the year 2020, because the World Health Organization declared on December in their meeting that year 2020 is the year of the nurse. But we are unlucky in one side, but we are lucky enough in another side, that as they have already declared the year of the nurse is really a year of the nurse, who are the front line for the COVID-19 is the doctors and the nurses. Remember that. We are in the front line. That's what us, we have all these years, we celebrate that Nurses Week, the whole week, that is from 1st of May, we used to celebrate the whole day. We have got a planned function for all the programs for the whole week. And this year we can't do that. And then, whatever, for you especially, my dear students, and I think this is the year that you get more experience, that we can celebrate a small function for the Nurses Day.